Have you ever stopped to think how millions of financial transactions can move every second across borders? Some legal, some fraudulent, without anyone immediately noticing? In a world where money travels faster than humans can think, who is actually watching the system? Most people think RegTech, regulatory technology, is a niche concept meant only for compliance officers and regulators. But the truth is, it was created to solve a very real and urgent problem. Modern finance became too fast, too digital, and too global for humans to monitor manually. To see this clearly, imagine something simple. Your bank blocks your card seconds after detecting an unusual transaction abroad. Without realizing it, that single moment already follows the core logic of RegTech: automated systems identifying risk patterns and enforcing rules in real time. This is the Learning Studio, where we break down accounting and finance by connecting real-world systems to the ideas behind them. What's actually happening in that moment is straightforward. Software is scanning massive volumes of data, comparing behavior against regulatory rules, and flagging anything that looks suspicious. That combination of technology, regulation, and real-time monitoring is exactly what RegTech means when explained formally. The same idea operates at a much larger scale every single day. Banks use automated systems to monitor money laundering risks. Financial institutions deploy AI models to score customers and transactions. Companies file regulatory reports automatically instead of manually preparing thousands of documents. In crypto markets, specialized tools track wallet movements to detect illegal activity long before humans could notice it. This shift became necessary because regulations exploded worldwide, not randomly, but in response to financial crises, cybercrime, fraud, and global terrorism financing. Organizations like the Financial Action Task Force set international standards to fight money laundering and illicit finance, while institutions such as the Bank for International Settlements study how technology can strengthen financial stability. RegTech emerged as the bridge between complex laws and real-world financial systems. Instead of reacting after damage is done, RegTech allows institutions to act early. Suspicious transactions are flagged instantly. Regulatory changes are tracked automatically. Compliance moves from paperwork to prediction. Humans still make the final judgment, but technology ensures they see the risk before it becomes a disaster. As finance continues to digitize, RegTech is no longer optional. It protects trust in banks, markets, and financial systems themselves. And for students and professionals, understanding RegTech means understanding how finance stays legal, ethical, and stable in a high-speed digital world. Now that you understand the intuition behind RegTech and regulatory automation, the next natural step is to explore AI-driven auditing and continuous monitoring systems, where compliance, audit, and intelligence merge into always-on financial oversight. Stay curious, keep learning, and continue the journey with the Learning Studio, building financial intelligence for the future.